Sai Raman and all. Colors of silence. Satish was lying on the bed. His friend Surender came, but he could not understand what had happened to him. Correct? Then, how did Satish meet with an accident? How? It's a 2-mark question. Yeah. His father and brother, they went hiking. Correct? What happened? When they were crossing a weak bridge over some rapids, yeah, what happened? The boys stood. Who are the boys? Satish and Inder. They stood and looked down at the swirling water. Satish, with excitement, shouted and pointed out. What did he point out? The swirling water. Where? Below them. Correct? Then what happened? His foot slipped and Satish fell into the rapids. Correct? He was hospitalized. He became unconscious. Correct? Then, when he noticed his leg was plastered, am I right? And his head hurt badly. He was bruised and aching all over. So this is the incident, this is the accident. Correct? Now come to the next paragraph, that is 12th paragraph. Now, after inquiring Satish, Surender got up to leave. Then the last question while leaving, what was the question? Will you come to school tomorrow? How did Satish respond lying on the bed? He shook his head. Correct? He didn't respond. He shook his head. Am I right? Now, 12th paragraph, open the textbook. A slow tear trickled down his cheek after Surender left. It felt as if some huge weight was pressing upon his head, making everything seem far away and silent. He felt helpless and upset at being confined to bed as he was. The silence was the worst. Everything seemed like scenes from some pantomime show. He wanted to scream to break the silence, but didn't. For the 8-year-old boy, this was terrible. The doctors did not know the cause, except that it was caused by medicines given to treat his legs. Now, when Surender left his place, a slow tear in the kanneeru. One more spelling is there, tear, torn, adu vere. A slow tear noun, kanneeru. ಎಂಥ ಕಣ್ಣೀರು, ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಅಂಥದ್ದು. ತುಂಬ ಬೇಸರ ಆಯಿತು, ಬೇಸರ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ತುಂಬ್ತದೆ. ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬೀಳ್ತದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಎ ಸ್ಲೋ ಟಿಯರ್, ಹೀಗೆ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನವ. ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಡೌನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಚೀಕ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್? TRICKLE. ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ವರ್ಬ್, ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. Flow, how? Drop by drop. ಹನಿ ಹನಿಯಾಗಿ ಬೀಳುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಕಣ್ಣೀರು ಹನಿ ಹನಿಯಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಡೌನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಚೀಕ್, ಕೆನ್ನೆಗೆ ಬಿತ್ತು. ವೆನ್? ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸುರೇಂದರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಡಿಂಟ್ ಕ್ರೈ, he didn't expose his sadness before whom? In front of his brother Surender. When he left, tears fell down. ಕಣ್ಣೀರು ಹನಿಯಿತು. It felt as if, ಅದರ ಹಾಗೆ, there is a comparison. How? As if some huge weight was pressing upon his head, making everything seem far away and silent. Then he could not hear anything. Everything is silent. Everything is far away. Correct? Everything is silent. Everything is far away. And something was pressing upon his head. ಅದರ ಹಾಗೆ ಆಯಿತು. He felt helpless. He felt hopeless. He felt worried. He felt helpless. ಅಸಹಾಯಕನಾದ, ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ. And upset, worried. Upset means worried. Worried, why? At being confined. Confined means confined, restricted, limited, controlled. Everything is restricted. ಬಂಧಿಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Being confined to bed as he was. Now he could not go out, could not go to school. His life is restricted to his bed. So he felt upset, he felt helpless. The silence was the worst thing. So what was the worst thing for him in the life, in his life? That is silence. Silence means everything happens as usual outside, but he couldn't hear anything. Why? Because he has the hearing problem. That makes him silent. Am I right? Then the silence was the worst thing. Worse, bad, worse, worst. The worst. ನೀವು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ? The highest peak in the world, the tallest man, the biggest prize. Correct? The smallest. Superlative degrees. Worst is the superlative form of bad, worse. Correct? So the worst. Everything seem means appear. Kaanu anta. Everything seemed, everything appeared. How? Everything seemed like, similarity is there, scenes from some pantomime show. What is mime? You know, pantomime show. Pantomime means dumb show. ಮೂಕನಾಟಕ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಾತಿಲ್ಲ. Everything was a pantomime show for him, metaphor. Everything seemed like scenes from pantomime show. He wanted to scream. Did he scream? No. Then why did he want to scream? To break the silence. He wanted to break the silence. How to break the silence? By screaming. Did he scream? Scream means arachu. I scream. We scream. He screams. Correct? So, break the silence. But didn't. He did not scream. Now, how to make negative? See that. He screams. Very easy. He screams. Make it negative. He, yes is there, so does. Does not scream. He does not scream. Correct? He screams. Negative. He does not scream. Next. But he didn't. He did not scream, he did not do it. For the 8-year-old boy, so Anant was 8-year-old boy, this was terrible. Which one was terrible? Restricted life was a terrible thing. Unable to hear even a single sound or a word is a worst thing, is a terrible thing, is an awful thing, is a horrible thing, unable to bear. So this was the terrible. So what was the cause for this one? The doctors didn't know the cause. They didn't give the cause. Except, there are 3 words: accept, expect, accept. Correct? Except ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸುವುದು. Except that it was caused by medicines given to treat his legs. What happened to the legs? Yeah, remember the incident. What was the incident? What was the accident? He fell into the rapids. Leg was injured. Doctors treated the leg. Doctors gave medicines to cure it, to treat it, but it affected his health. The side effect of the medicines given to treat the leg caused deafness. Correct? So, that is the reason. Except that it was caused by medicines given to treat his legs. Doctors treated whom? Satish. Into passive. Satish treated past tense. Satish singular, singular past be, that is was treated past tense, past participle also treated, so treated by doctors. Doctors subject, treated verb V2, Satish object, here treated V3. Correct? Now, due to his frequent absence, come to the 13th paragraph. Due to his frequent absence and his hearing problem, the school he was attending till then informed his father Avatar Narayan that they couldn't keep Satish. We will have to look for a new school, his father said. Due to his frequent absence noun, absent, absence noun, frequent. Frequent means often, occurring often, occurring again and again, or persistent, repeated, regular, continuous. So, due to his opposite, infrequent. Frequent absence, absence noun. Frequent parts of speech, adjective. Frequently, adverb. So, frequent absence and his hearing problem, the school he was attending till then informed his father Avatar Narayan. So, his father's name was Avatar Narayan. Avatar Narayan was Satish's father. So, they informed Avatar Narayan that they couldn't keep Satish. Here could indicates possibility, impossible, their inability. Correct? They could not. It is impossible for them to keep Satish. Why? Because he has hearing problem and one more problem, that is absence. Could not keep Satish. Then Avatar Narayan said, we will have to look for a new school. Look for. This is a phrasal verb. Look for means search. They should find a new school. No other way. Why they refuse to allow him? We will have to look for a new school. Now frame a sentence for this one. Look for. It's a homework. Look for. His father said. Come to the 14th paragraph. Satish shook his head saying, he shook his head again. No. So what was the reply of Satish? He said no means he is not ready to leave that school. He is not ready to go to a new school. He was not ready to continue his education in a new school, another school. No, he did not want to go to a new school. Why? Where there in new school, he couldn't talk to other children. Why? Because he should make new friends there. Correct? He should make some adjustments there. Correct? The other students, other boys, other girls, other people in that new school could not accept this boy immediately. Correct? Then he has another problem. What is that? Hearing problem. Then he said, so he could not talk to, he is unable to talk to, he is not in a position to talk to them, talk to other children. Where in that new school, everyone would make fun of his deafness. What is make fun of? To make fun of. Fun means tamasha. Correct? Make fun of means tease. They would tease him. They would mock at him. They would ridicule him. They would laugh at him. Correct? They would tease him. They would make fun of. So, we should not make fun of others. Now, frame one more sentence for this. Okay? We should not tease others. They would tease this boy. So, he was afraid of going to new school. Why? Because of the fear of other boys that they would make fun of his deafness. Correct? Was he really a deaf? No. So, where everyone would make fun of his deafness. Deaf, adjective. Deafness, noun. One who is unable to hear is a deaf. One word substitute, not calling. One who is unable to speak, dumb. One who is unable to see, blind. Correct? Then, come to the next 15th paragraph. When he refused to go to a new school, what was the reply of his father? Beta, you have to go to a school and learn. What will you do if in life if you don't get education? Yeah, he asked his son. Satish heard snatches of his words, but he knew what he was saying. After a lot of persuasion, he finally agreed to go along to the new school. Now father said, Beta, who is the beta here? Satish is the beta. You have to go to school and learn. So father was persistent. Father stuck on his words. Father wanted to make him a knowledgeable person. Father wanted him to go to a new school. Correct? Then you have to go. He must go. You have to go to school and learn. This is the opinion of his father. Now, how to change it to indirect? Father told Satish, you have to go to school. How to change it in direct speech? Father, so what type of sentence? You have to go to. Mood is order, stress, isn't it? Sentence is assertive. So, assertive sentence, father, you can repeat this one, retain this one, told whom? Satish, that he have becomes had, he had to go to school. He had to go to school. And learn, you should learn. What will you do? Now one more sentence to be changed into indirect. Father told Satish, what will you do in life? So it is a question. The sentence within the inverted comma is a question. So father, answer is father. Question, so it is asked. Father asked Satish. It is a double H question. So the same double H word is used as a conjunction. What? Will you is a question. Will you is a question. You will assertive. So make the sentence assertive. Do you becomes you do. Will you becomes you will. Can you becomes you can. Correct? So here will you becomes you will. You comes first. What? You means whom? Satish. So it becomes he. What? He. Next ಯುವಿನ ಬದಲು he ಬರ್ದಾಯಿತು. Will ಬರ್ತದೆ. Will becomes would in indirect. Correct? So past tense. So will would. What he would do remains same. What he would do in life. Full stop. Correct? What will you do in life if you don't get education? That means you must, you should, you have to get education so that you can do something in your life, achieve something in your life. He asked his son, Satish, did he hear anything? What did he hear? He heard snatches of his words, his father's words. Snatches means meaning is given there, parts. Parts of his words. A piece of some sound. Snatches means a piece of some sound. Then, but he could understand. But he knew what he was saying. He came to know what he was saying. What was he going to tell? After a lot of persuasion, Satish didn't agree. Father persuaded him. Persuasion noun, persuade verb, persuaded past tense. Lot of persuasion meaning is given there. What is persuasion? Act of convincing. Father tried to convince Satish. Why should he convince? He should convince to make him go to school, to change his mentality, to change his mind. After a lot of persuasion, he finally agreed to go along to the new school. Go along means proceed. So he decided to go to a new school because of the persuading words of his father, convincing words of his father. He agreed. In the beginning, he disagreed. Next, he agreed. Agree, disagree, opposite words. Correct? Now, but this school didn't want him for the same reason, so he visited a school. His father took him to a new school. What was the response of the headmaster? What did he say? That school didn't want him. Did the school want this boy? No, the school did not want this boy for the same reason. What was the reason? Hearing problem and frequent absence, shortage of attendance. What did the headmaster say? This is a school for normal boys. Why don't you take your son to the school for deaf and dumb children? Asked the headmaster of the school. How bluntly. Avatar Narayan was angered. So what angered Avatar Narayan? The reply, the response, the answer of the headmaster of the new school angered Avatar Narayan. Why? Imagine the answer. This is, what did he say? What did the headmaster say? This is a school for normal boys. This is a school for healthy boys. This is a school for routine boys, regular boys. Correct? Ordinary boys. Was he common boy? Was he an abnormal boy? No, he was not abnormal. What was his problem? Hearing problem. So he said, this is a school for normal boys. ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ headmaster ಏನಂತ? Normal boys. Why don't you take your son to the school for deaf and dumb children? There are schools for deaf and dumb children. Deaf ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, dumb ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, blind ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ. Admit this boy to that school. Take him to that school. He will get education. This is a school for normal boys. Your son is not normal, he said. Asked the headmaster of the school bluntly. What is blunt? Straightforward. BLUNT means he was straightforward, one meaning. There are many meanings for a single word at different situations. Remember, bluntly, here, unfeelingly. Meaning is given there, unfeelingly, without any feeling, without any humanitarian feeling or concern. Correct? Rudely, impolitely. So the headmaster of the school bluntly, this blunt answer, this blunt response made Avatar Narayan angry. This angered Avatar Narayan. Correct? Now see the answer these questions, okay? What was the worst thing for Satish? What caused hearing problem? Why should they look for a new school for Satish? Third question. Why didn't Satish want to go to a new school? Next question, how did the headmaster respond to the request of Avatar Narayan? I think you can answer those questions. Okay? Sai Ram.